So this is about dynamic blocks. So I already have one that's been created in its own file, so I'm just going to open it up in AutoCAD. In the block editor will open up. In here I have some lightning bolts. You may not have lightning bolts. If you want to change from lightning bolts back to the toolbars, it's BE settings, and down here there's display action bars. Once I hit OK, it should look like the action bars. Just gives a smaller icon. In here, if you want to change what items are selected, you just need to go find that move command. And here I can see that that's selected and moved. Over here, there's a stretch, and that's going to move both of these. And there is a point here. So in this point, I want to change what's selected. And so what I need to do is go find that move action that corresponds to this point that's moving stuff. So I can see that it's probably this one since the beam 1.4 isn't included on that, but the other stuff is. And so to add that, I would just right click, go to action set, and go to modify selection set. It'll then ask me what I want to include in it, and I want to select that attribute. Once I press enter, it'll include it. Now when I hover over it, it's going to be selected. I want to do the same thing for the information down here. So right now, number is included here, but I think this is the one I want to modify. So you can see that it's got the number 1/8, but I want to include the other one. And so what I'll do is I'll select it, modify it, and then select it. And I'll probably select that one as well. And so now that move command will be associated with that grip. I can test it out by hitting the test block button. If I zoom extents, it'll show up. And now when I move stuff, it's going to move both of them. And then I could also move this one as well. If you don't like it, you just hit the close text block. And then in here, I could then go in and check the values. And I think I need to include that one as well. And then I save the changes, and now my block has been updated.